remove the shrink wrap. Remove sash brackets and foam padding. Locate the scissor jack and leveling feet. Also find packages containing the pre-filter upper panels. Remove the lower end panels, one on the right and another on the left side of the unit. Remove the top frame brackets by removing the 4 bolts on each. Locate the pallet ramp and the 4 screws that you removed earlier. You'll find the pallet ramp attached to the pallet beneath your Logic Vue. Place the ramp on one end of the pallet with the other end resting on the floor. Secure the ramp to the pallet by reusing the 4 screws that originally secured the ramp to the pallet during shipping. Now run 4 screws through the provided holes in the ramp's top flange. Remove the scissor jack from its box and place it under the center lateral strut beneath your Logic Vue. Remove the lag bolts and washers from the bottom frame bracket. Discard the frame brackets. Repeat this process for the opposite end. Now you can remove the bracket and discard it, and reinstall the lower end panels. Carefully lower the jack until the casters bear the weight of the Logic Vue. Using at least 2 people, carefully and slowly roll the enclosure off the pallet and down the ramp until the unit rests securely on the floor. If the height of the Logic Vue needs to be reduced for transfer to its final destination, please refer to the Logic Vue installation video for instructions about removing the top of the unit to reduce its height. Once the unit is securely on the floor, start assembling the upper panels and the pre-filter. Using the screws packaged with each panel, install the upper end panels. Next, use the screws from the packaging to install the back and front upper panels. Finally, install the top panel and install the pre-filter. The Logic Vue is now ready to be moved to its final destination. Once there, remove all tape and sash coverings and install the work surface. This completes the installation of your Logic Vue Class II Enclosure.